This is the OSHO Zen Tarot, a beautifully illustrated tarot deck inspired by the teaching of Osho and the practice of Zen, designed more for present moment awareness and insight than prediction-based readings. It includes the standard 78 tarot cards plus a special master card that symbolizes transcendent awareness, giving this deck 79 in total. Where traditional tarot decks like Rider-Waite focus on archetypes and narrative symbolism, the images in this deck are visually rich, evocative, and meditative, crafted to help you tune into your sensitivity, intuition, courage, and inner clarity. This is not your standard tarot deck, and it will take time for many to learn, but will likely be worth it for you because the images here are indeed incredible. The artist Mahadeva Padma worked closely with Osho's guidance on the imagery, which was created to support Zen-based reflection rather than strict divination. Across both the major and minor arcana, you'll see a mixture of flowing watercolor-like paintings, expressive figures, and symbolic scenes that feel deeply spiritual and psychologically resonant. Some cards have a slightly abstract or geometric feel, while others are warm and organic. The whole deck remains harmonious and visually cohesive despite the variety. These images don't rely on medieval or esoteric symbols. Instead, they portray emotional states, inner transformation, and states of being that invite contemplation. Colors in the deck are vivid but grounded, blues and greens that suggest calm or depth, fiery oranges and reds that signal energy and transformation, and gentler colors that evoke openness and surrender. Cards like awareness, silence, and breakthrough draw you in with imagery that feels like a meditation prompt or moment of insight, rather than a literal card scene you need to decode. Physically, I think these cards are thicker than your usual fare. The card size is pretty standard, though. It's easy to shuffle for everyday use, and the deck comes with a substantial illustrated guidebook, which is probably necessary for those less into intuitive readings. The guidebook gives context to the symbolic art, offers insight from Osho's teachings, and includes suggested spreads to deepen your practice. The deck does take on the structural language of tarot. There's majors and minors with familiar suit concepts, but it's reshaped through Zen philosophy and meditation-oriented imagery. If you're drawn to tarot decks that feel like moving works of art, that invite introspection and emotional discovery, and that offer a contemplative experience beyond classic tarot symbolism, this Zen-infused deck is a beautiful and meaningful choice, and might indeed be the best choice for some people.